Ever get stuck trying to jump through hoops just to link your phone to Roblox on your computer? Well, let's ditch the frustration and get you connected in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you're logged into the same Roblox account on both your phone and your Google Chrome browser on your computer. This is crucial for establishing the connection. Next, on your computer's Chrome browser, locate the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. This is your Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you see the settings option and click on it. This will open a new tab with your Chrome settings. In the settings menu, look for the privacy and security section, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen or in the middle of the page. Click on it to proceed. Within privacy and security, find and click on site settings. This is where you'll manage permissions for various websites, including Roblox. Scroll down through the site settings until you find pop-ups and redirects and select it. Ensure that the setting is toggled to sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Roblox requires pop-ups to establish the connection. If it is blocked, toggle it back on. Now, depending on what you're trying to do on Roblox that requires the connection, you might see a prompt asking if you want to open Roblox. If you do, click Open Roblox. If you're trying to use a link, ensure it is not being blocked by any pop-up blockers. And that's it. Your phone should now be connected to Roblox through Google Chrome. You're all set to enjoy the features that require this connection. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!